they will always ask you, you know, who's your niche? Like, who really is it? Even the people we work with now, like, they proper dialed in on that before we started doing any work.
It's the basis. It's kind of the basis for everything. If you think about it,
it's the foundation of the house. So where we didn't have that, especially, you know, from my perspective, it was just hard, man. It was very hard to kind of know who I was talking to, build the programs, like you said, everything you said. So I won't reiterate too much. That was the biggest struggle. The second thing was the mindset. And I didn't even know that it was a mindset thing. I didn't know. I love this quote. I always talk about it, yeah? What's his name, man? Patrick Bet-David.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so he's got Valuetainment, yeah. So he's got a book, Your Next 5 Moves. And he has a quote where he says, business is both high risk both mentally and financially. So business is high risk, high return, mentally and financially, yeah? Something like that. So he's saying you can win big, you can lose big. Financially, we know how. You know what I'm saying? You could flip and make it, drift into the sunset.